If you'd like to make some recordings of yourself delivering presentations, did you know you can do this directly in Canva? You don't need to have any special software. You can just make the presentation in Canva and then use Canva to record it directly. You can just have the screen recorded, or if you want to, you can include video of you talking at the same time. It's really easy to do. All you need is a Canva account and the presentation set up in Canva. I'll show you how to do it here. So I'm in Canva. This is my Canva presentation that I've got set up. I've got a couple of slides here. Canva's got a really nice presentation tool, and I'll do another video about how to use the Canva presentation tool soon. One thing I did find when I tried to do this video a little while ago, the video recording thing only works if you're using Chrome as your browser and using Canva within Chrome. Just one thing to think about. So I've got my presentation here. I am going to go up to the top corner here where it says present. I'm going to click on there, and you can see I've got present full screen and presenter view and so on. I'm going to click on this button here that says present and record, and then I'm going to click next. The last thing I'll do is click go to recording studio, and it will pop up here. So here's a little preview of what my camera will look like. I can choose my camera, I can choose my microphone. When I'm ready to go, you just click start recording. It'll give you a countdown, and then it's going to start my recording of a presentation. I'm down in the bottom corner down here, as you can see. I've got my slides here. If I'd set up any slide notes, they would be here. I can just move through the presentation with my arrow keys or clicking on the thumbnails. If I want to pause at any point, I can click on pause and I can resume it again. Just work through my presentation like so, blah, 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 blah. And when I'm ready to end my presentation, I will just hit end recording. It'll then process that recording. You can see it's not a very long video, so it shouldn't take very long to process, hopefully. Your recording is now ready. Just click download, and I could just download that as an MP4 video, and that's it done. So once it downloads, it puts that into your downloads folder. You can then take that MP4 video and add that to YouTube, or you can upload that to your school VLE or something like that if you're making revision guides for the students. It's an MP4 file, so you can use it in lots of different places. So as you can see, it's nice and simple to do. You can use Canva, none of the software necessary, unless you want to edit that video. If you want to edit that video, then obviously you need to take that MP4 video and put it in some editing software to cut out the bits that you wanted to get rid of. But if you just want to do it as a straight recording through and then upload it, nice and easy. I'll do another video soon about how to use Canva as a presentation tool. So if you wanted to replace PowerPoint and do presentation within Canva, quite easy to do. There's some nice features you can use when you're presenting and so on, so watch out for that video. That'll be on my channel very soon. I hope you found that useful. As always, add comments if you've got any questions, and I'll be back with some more videos soon. Thanks very much for your time. Cheers. Goodbye.